All right, so let's go back to what you were talking about with the 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4 equals 3/4. So can you show me where that is on the picture?
So just these right here, the 3 blue, and then I was thinking to go for 1/5 because if you added it like 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5, that would only equal 4/5, and it's just enough to fill the 4 of these.
So 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5 plus 1/5, you're saying is 4/5, which is what this is right here, these 4 pieces?
Yeah.
Okay, so then if these are the 4 pieces you're talking about, why'd you choose 5?
Because if you did 4, it would equal 1 whole. But if you go up 1 more and then 4, it would be 5, and then there's only 1/5 left over.
Okay.
It's pretty much like a remainder.
Okay. So why do you want it not to equal like 4/4 equals a whole?
Because the entire thing is supposed to equal a whole.
Okay.
And then, like, when you add 4 of these fifths, and like, say if you did that, like 1/4 plus 1/4 plus 1/4, it would be 4/4, which would equal a whole, which would be counting this one. But you have to have enough for, like, this side to be not a whole, because it's supposed to be a fraction instead of a whole.
Okay. So you're saying that this side, each of these is equal to what? What's just this piece equal to?
1/5.
1/5. So you're saying this is 1/5 like this. That part. Can you label the other 1/5 pieces? So how many pieces do you have labeled here?
4.
4 of them. Okay, so this is 1/5. Then what's this when I put them together?
2/5.
And then this?
3/5. And then 4/5.
So how do I get to 5/5?
You would add another one right here. And if you were to do that, then it would equal a whole. But it's only 4s. Or 4 for 1/5.
So what do I do with this side? Because this is kind of included in the picture. And I've seen you worked a lot with just this side. So can you tell me more? How can I include this side?
This side isn't equal like this one is, so... Oh, if you were trying to add the 1/5, which would be like right here, which would be 5, 1 whole. So what if you tried to go up like 6 or 7? Like instead of saying 1/5, it would be like 1/7. So 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7. And then this would be 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7 plus 1/7.
So can you label those for me?
Use different.
You can just draw like a little line over here. So can you count those for me in 7s?
1, sevenths, 2 sevenths, 3 sevenths, 4 sevenths, 5 sevenths, 6 sevenths, 7 sevenths, 8.
So if this is
That's
8.
an improper fraction though. 8 sevenths.
What does that mean? It's an improper fraction.
So the bigger number would be on top, but the denominator doesn't change. So we'll have to go up to 9s in the fractions of these. Because if it goes to 8, it'll be 8 eighths, which is a whole.
What are we trying to get to?
Oh, so we do go by like 1/8.
So maybe rename your 1/7. So now will you count by the 1/8 for me?
So 1/8 plus 1/8 equals 2 eighths. 2 eighths plus 1/8 equals 3 eighths. 3 eighths plus 1/8 equals 4 eighths. 4 eighths plus 1/8 equals 5 eighths. And then 5 eighths plus 1/8 equals 6 eighths. And then 6 eighths plus 1/8 equals 7 eighths. And then 7 eighths plus 1/8 equals 8 eighths, which is 1 whole.
Okay. So now that you figured out that, can you tell me how much of this whole thing is blue?
3 eighths of it is blue.
Okay, can you write that down there for me? Okay, how'd you figure that out?
Because 1/8 plus 1/8 equals 2 eighths, plus 1 more eighth, 1/8 equals 3 eighths.
Okay, can you tell me how much of this whole rectangle is red?
Right of it equals red.
How many eighths?
4 eighths.
4 eighths is red. Okay, so show me how that shows 4 eighths.
So because it's pretty much going in columns like this, because there's 1, 2, 3, 4 of the 1/8. So you would add them, the 2 eighths plus the 2 eighths, which is 4 eighths.
Does it matter that this one is colored a lot red and that's a little bit red versus this one's a little bit red and that one's a lot of white? Does that matter?
Maybe. Because all the parts have to be equal, so.
All right, well, thank you very much for sharing your thinking today. You did a great job, okay?